How to send a location on WhatsApp. Here's a full guide on how to do this. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video. Send location on WhatsApp. What you have to do is get logged in through your own account. Make sure to get logged in to your own account just like this. And then choose the particular account of the person that you want to share your location to. As you do this, you will see a maze like an icon next to the camera icon. Tap on it and then you will get an option of location here. Tap on it. As you do this, you have several options here. Either you can share your live location, send your current location, or scroll down and choose the other locations that you want to share. I'm going to tap on this happy shop and then share this location just like this. But if you want to share your live location, all you have to do is tap on this maze like icon once again and then tap on location. As you do this, tap on the share live location on the top and then tap on continue. Here, you can choose the time period up to which you will like to share your live location. That's 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even up to 8 hours as well. So let me choose 8 hours and then you can add a comment as well here. So let me say reach there as soon as possible. Up, and you can add an emoji here at the side. Let me do this. So do this, tap on the send icon on the bottom right corner. So yes, I have successfully shared my current location as well. And if you want to stop sharing it, all you have to do is tap on the stop sharing option once again and then tap on stop. It's that easy, alright? So this is how you send location on WhatsApp. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.